This is the kHelfer rechargeable electric grout brush. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction guide. They give you a lanyard for it. Here is the grout brush itself right here. You can attach the lanyard right over here, just like that. Charge port down there, real nice and easy. You get 5 brush heads with it. You got a small one, another small one, a large one, a pointy one, and this one has Velcro. And the Velcro is there, so you can attach this to that. And this is sort of like, we'll call it like a Brillo pad, or an SOS pad, something like that. And of course your charge cable right there. So real simple. Let's just take the big guy here because it's black and white. We can see it a lot more clearly. And then this goes and gets inserted, and give it a twist to lock. See that click right there? And that's it. Then you press the button and it gets to work. Press it again and it turns off. Real nice and easy. If you want a different brush head, you can put this one on. Just kind of turn it around. It has a little thing where it lines up, just like that, and it points to the back of it, so your thumb operates that, and now that goes. Now this does not spin, because you see it kind of locks like that. I'll show you this one here. That's what it does. It oscillates. It's basically kind of like a big electric toothbrush is what it is. And it will oscillate back and forth. In fact, it does 5,500 oscillations per minute. This, by the way, the head of it is IPX7 waterproof, and you have a 5-hour battery life on this. So you can use this to clean grout, of course, which is the original intent of it. You can use it to scrub stubborn spots with this. You want to be careful. This may scratch certain surfaces, so test in an inconspicuous area first. Larger brush to get into other quarters. You know, you kind of pick the one for the job as you go, like that. And with a 2-hour battery life, you're going to be all set. But you don't have to use this just for cleaning grout. And this is especially nice to work around the faucet of the sink to get all the crud in there. Right where it meets the sink, where the faucet like bolts to the sink kind of thing. I'm going to show you that. I don't know if there's really much dirt, because I actually do clean that. Because I found out one day, whoa, what's all this dirt in here? So I clean that regularly, but this should make it a lot easier than doing it by hand, because now it'll scrub it for me. So let's go ahead and test it out. So like I said, I don't know if there's going to be anything here, but we'll kind of spray this area down with some cleaner. Anything you want is just fine. Behind it as well, I got some junk over there. I'll spray that and maybe hit that area also while I'm at it. Once you spray your cleaner on, you should always leave it for a little bit. It's called dwell time. Helps it kind of work at the stuff. And then we'll get started. So let's try this here first. Not too much junk coming out from there, but normally you would see that. Let's go in the back. I like the small size of the brush. That makes it handy to get back there. I got some junk out of there, so not bad right there. You can do in here as well. That's pretty nice just like that. And another thing we'll try, I got this green stuff here for the rust stains that are just in the water supply here, so I'll put that on. And I'm going to change brush heads now. Okay, now we can try and clean this up. with a larger brush. Oh yeah, came right off. Shined up the drain. I'll work a little more at this. And now I will give everything a nice rinse down and we'll see the finished product. So there we go, all nice and clean now with the help of the kHelfer rechargeable electric grout brush. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.